Good day, pupils. Today we are looking at simple subtraction. In our previous class, we did the simple addition. So we are doing the subtraction on the straight line like this. We are doing the subtraction on the straight line like this. So this is 5 minus 3. So you focus on the first number, 5. So you count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you count your 5, then minus 3. So take away 3. So let's take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So you now count the remainder. 1, 2. You put it there, 2. Number 2, 7 minus 4. You focus on the first number. You count the first number, which is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then minus 4. Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then count the remainder. 1, 2, 3. So you put it there. So the same way, you focus on the first number. The first number is 6. So let's count 6. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then minus 4. Take away 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then count the remainder. 1, 2. So you put your 2. The same way here again, you have a 5. Focus on the first number, which is 5. So count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The minus 2 is take away 2. So let's take away 2. 1, 2. So count the remainder. 1, 2, 3. So you put your 3 here. So that's how to do it. So I'll put up your assignment. Please ensure you submit your assignment to your school or to somebody elderly at home. Thanks for viewing.